Hi, my name is Alejandra Quintero. Today I am going to talk about what would you have happening if. Anecdote or an experience. My experience to share with you see relate to my trip to Alaska with my family in the cruise ship. Possibility. A big decision you have made. Traveling to Alaska instead of Europe. A negative anecdote you had when out the sea in the Gulf of Alaska, we go very seasick due to the heavy wind. Question. Describe what you would like have done differently. This activity could be related to your study or job or family. If we had not gone to Alaska, we would have most likely gone to Europe. Think about how different it could have been if you had taken different decisions, and what do you regret about it? And answer. Instead of a cruise ship, we could have taken an airplane from Anchorage to Juneau, and we would not have been seasick. First paragraph. 8. What did you happen? Answer. A few hours after leaving port and while getting into the Gulf of Alaska, we faced rough seas due to the high winds, which made us all seasick. B. Where did you stay? We stayed in your room in the ship, laying in the bed. When did it happen? This situation took place after the ship entered the Gulf of Alaska. Who were you with? Answer. I was with my husband and my daughter. Second paragraph. 8. What was the matter? Answer. It so happened that we should do not have stayed in bed, as they did not hear the sea sickness from become more acute. B. How did you react and moment? Adapting ourselves to the situation, since it was totally out of our control. C. What did you feel disappointed with? We felt disappointed that the trip was too short. D. How did that anecdote experience impact yourself? And answer. I made possible for me to see natural and pristine state not polluted by my cane. Third paragraph. 8. What did you regret about? Answer. There was nothing. The regret since all about the trip was to be forever remembered. B. How did this story finish? The story finished when we disembarked in Vancouver, Canada, and start a new adventure by taking a train to the Canada Rockies. And Sim, how did you feel about the situation and how did you react? Answer. I feel very happy since we had successfully completed our goal and we're moving forward new one. And finally, what did you regret about? The trip was just a marvelous experience that we had no regrets at all. And thank you for attention. Goodbye.